Hello, Jake KB Construction. We're doing a shingle repair attempt today. So I have this shingle right here. As you can see, super worn, completely unsealed, picked up. There's a small tear right here. Definitely needs replaced. So we're gonna go ahead and replace that.
You want to just move so I can get it in the line?
Yep, go ahead. Sorry. There we go. So this is one we need to replace. Seems like it has come completely unsealed. This one is sealed. Looking pretty good. Okay. Sorry, Joshie. Locating nails. I got it. Good. All right. It's the one we're replacing. Start popping these nails here. That's two. This is starting to crease right here. Being extremely gentle with it. I'm not sure. Can you catch that, Josh? Crease right here. You got that?
Yeah.
So I'm not raising it above 45 degrees. I'm also getting a small crease right along here. Anyways, gonna continue on with the shingle repair. Also, where was that? Should be the last one here. Doesn't want to give me problems, that is. is the shingle that we are removing. Actually, I believe they nailed it in up here too. Yes, they did. Certainly did. So, no excessive force or anything. I have a crease right here and right here. These shingles do not look too bad. Right here, this one's the worst right here. Going along here, you can see that crease right there where my finger is. I'm gonna continue the repair and have to pull these up. There's some really strong winds, huh? Seems deteriorating here. Here. Thanks, sir. Right here. There she is. Everyone wants to give me a hard time. Just get my wire under there, we'll be okay. There it is. Okay. There she goes. It's the original shingle. Out of the way. Some excess damage. This is the closest matching shingle we have. Same exact brand. Same exact size. Under here. It was. socket nails that's made this wearing even worse. Not being excessive or crazy, but the wear is getting worse, so that is going to have to be replaced more than likely with the damages that are there. Right here is where just came off, and just the process of fixing it, being very gentle, respectful. Well, let's get this nailed in. Get it lined up a little bit better. There's perfect. Nail it in. Lifting this up right about 45 degrees. Right here's more wear. These two shingles in particular. Roof is definitely a little bit spongy. Get a good angle on this. That's a good one right there. More. Right at the end. We've done that. I'm going to replace the nails up here that I removed. Here. Noting that this has a lot of fibers in it. The actual shingle tore up on the tar, and this will more than likely not seal correctly. Booger. Please, man. Bent nail head on that one, so we're not gonna play games with it. Gonna replace it, same exact hole. Did. Much smoother. Up, down. Yeah, guitar strip. So this right here is gonna need to bare minimum be put down. It's the felt bottom side of the shingle ripped up. Okay, sir. Space for this. Just double check for any more nail holes. Yep, right there's one more. That's all she had in her. Jeez Louise. These nail heads today. That ain't on me. Placing it, same exact hole, same exact. So spongy, it's not one to seal. Do have one more here. Place it exactly as it was. Started, I'm fine, I just need to start it. I'm picking the shingle up past 45 degrees right here. I'm wearing right there. I'm not sure if you can see that. See that, Joshy? Right here. Can't. So right here, this is the original. Can you zoom out a little bit? This is the original. This is the damaged shingle that we replaced. In replacing this, not pulling, not being very rough, I have all this wear completely off. This shingle's 100% needs replaced. There's, quoting off the top of my head, 30 instances of this roof where it needs shingle repairs. By the time we replace all 30 shingles, this roof would be completely totaled. This shingle as well needs repaired. So to do this, this is causing damage, and it's the whole roof needs replaced. So thank you very much. If you have any questions, phone number is 570-246-3499. And yeah, I think that's it, Joshy.